Good morning, everyone. So this morning we are going to discuss bass clef. So the same sa G clef, the bass clef has 5 parallel lines. It is numbered, still numbered from the bottom. So we have first line, this one, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. The same also with the spaces. We have from the bottom we have the first space, second space, third space, and fourth space. So now the bass clef means this one. This is a bass clef symbol. So if you are going to look at this one, the starting point of the bass clef is the fourth line. So this symbol or this bass clef symbol means that the fourth line of the staff is always F. Okay, fourth line. So the first, second, third, fourth. So it means that the fourth line of the staff is always F. So the fourth line of the staff is always F. So if you are going to write notes in every line, so starting from F, so going downward, so we have D, and this one we have B. The first line is G, and the last line is A. Okay. So in the G clef we have E, G, B, D, F, but in the bass clef we have G, B, D, F, A for the lines. And for the spaces we have A, C, E, G. For the first space we have C, A, second space C, and third space we have E, and the fourth space is G. Okay lang. Using the or following the lines and spaces, we can also add ledger lines and ledger spaces. So let's add third ledger lines above bass clef. So this letter is letter C, and second ledger line above bass clef is letter E. Okay? Tila lang tanay hasta. Let's have the ledger spaces. First ledger space above bass clef is letter B. Second ledger space is letter D, and oh sorry. Kanina lang atong i-move. And third ledger space naman sa mukuan. Sorry. Actually, third ledger space is letter F. Okay, this one. Then let's go back in the ledger spaces below G clef. For the ledger spaces below G clef, the first ledger space below G clef is F. Second ledger space is D, and third ledger space is B. For the lines, for the first ledger line below bass clef is letter E, second ledger line below bass clef is letter C, and third ledger line below bass clef is letter A. So that's all. So always remember that it's the staff, it's the clef that fixes the lines and spaces of the notes in the staff. So if you have questions, you can ask me sa messenger, or you can PM me if ever. And I am requesting everyone to download and install the music trainer so that you can practice, and the next meeting you don't have any problem with regards to our activities. Thank you, and God bless everyone.